The prostate. It's a small gland about the size of a walnut, yet it holds significant importance in the male body. Nestled deep within the male pelvis, the prostate is often overlooked until issues arise. Despite its size, the prostate plays a vital role in men's health, particularly regarding urinary and sexual function. It produces seminal fluid, which nourishes and transports sperm. Understanding the prostate and how to care for it is essential for men of all ages. Regular checkups and being aware of changes can make a significant difference. One important aspect of prostate health is prostate massage. This practice, though often misunderstood, can be highly beneficial. While often associated solely with sexual pleasure, prostate massage offers a range of potential health benefits. It can alleviate symptoms of prostatitis and improve blood flow. It can help identify prostate issues, improve urinary flow, and enhance sexual experiences. Additionally, it may reduce the risk of prostate-related diseases. This guide explores the multifaceted world of prostate massage, delving into its potential benefits and providing practical advice on techniques and considerations. Whether you're seeking to improve your overall prostate health or enhance your intimate life, understanding prostate massage is a step towards unlocking a new level of well-being. It is important to remember that the information presented here is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider to address any health concerns and before starting any new health practices. Taking proactive steps towards understanding and maintaining prostate health can lead to a better quality of life and overall well-being. Prostate massage involves stimulating the prostate gland through gentle pressure, either externally through the perineum, the area between the scrotum and anus, or internally via the rectum. This practice has been used for centuries in various cultures for its potential health benefits and therapeutic effects. This stimulation can have several potential health benefits, including improved circulation and relief from certain symptoms. One of the primary benefits is its potential role in promoting prostate health. Regular massage can help maintain the gland's function and overall well-being. Regular prostate massage may help to clear the prostate ducts of fluids, reducing the risk of blockages and infections. This can be particularly beneficial for those who suffer from chronic prostatitis or other prostate-related conditions. Additionally, prostate massage can be a valuable tool for early detection of prostate problems. By being aware of changes in your prostate, you can seek medical advice promptly. During a massage, you may notice any unusual lumps, tenderness, or discharge, which can be early warning signs of prostate issues that require medical attention. Early detection is key to effective treatment and better outcomes. By incorporating prostate massage into your health routine, you're taking a proactive approach to maintaining your prostate health. This simple practice can contribute to your overall well-being and peace of mind. Prostate cancer is a significant health concern for men, affecting millions worldwide. Early detection is crucial for successful treatment, as it can significantly improve outcomes and survival rates. While prostate massage itself is not a proven method for preventing or treating prostate cancer, it can play a role in raising awareness and facilitating early diagnosis. This practice can help men become more proactive about their prostate health. Regular prostate massage allows men to become familiar with their bodies, making them more likely to detect any changes in their prostate, such as unusual lumps or tenderness. This familiarity can be a key factor in catching potential issues early. If you notice any abnormalities during a prostate massage, it is essential to consult with your doctor immediately. Early consultation can lead to timely intervention. They can perform further tests such as a prostate-specific antigen, PSA, blood test, or a digital rectal exam, DRE, to rule out or diagnose prostate cancer. These tests are essential tools in the early detection of prostate issues. It is crucial to emphasize that prostate massage should not be considered a substitute for regular medical checkups and screenings for prostate cancer. Regular screenings and professional medical advice are irreplaceable in maintaining prostate health. Section 4. Prostate massage and sexual pleasure. Beyond its potential health benefits, prostate massage is also known to enhance sexual pleasure in men. The prostate is often referred to as the male G-spot due to its sensitivity and ability to produce intense pleasure when stimulated. Prostate massage can lead to more powerful and satisfying orgasms. Some men even experience non-ejaculatory orgasms, also known as prostate orgasms, which involve intense pleasure and release without ejaculation. Incorporating prostate massage into your intimate life can add a new dimension of pleasure and intimacy. Experiment with different techniques and find what feels best for you and your partner. Section 5. Techniques for prostate massage. There are two main techniques for prostate massage: external and internal. External massage involves applying gentle pressure to the perineum, the area between the scrotum and anus. This can be done with the fingers or a specialized prostate massager. Internal massage involves inserting a lubricated finger into the rectum to gently massage the prostate gland. This technique requires caution and should be performed with gentle circular motions. It's important to start slowly and gently, gradually increasing pressure as tolerated. Communication with your partner is crucial, especially during internal massage, to ensure both partners are comfortable and enjoying the experience. Section 6. Important considerations. Before incorporating prostate massage into your health or intimate routine, it's essential to consider a few important factors. Hygiene. Cleanliness is crucial for any type of prostate massage. Wash your hands thoroughly before and after and ensure any devices used are properly cleaned and disinfected. Lubrication. Using a high-quality lubricant is essential, especially for internal massage, to minimize friction and discomfort. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals. If you experience any pain or discomfort, stop immediately and consult with your doctor. Medical conditions. Certain medical conditions, such as prostatitis, which is inflammation of the prostate, or prostate cancer, may make prostate massage unsafe. Consult with your doctor if you have any underlying health conditions. Section 7. The path to prostate health. Prostate health is an integral part of a man's overall well-being. Prostate massage, when performed correctly and cautiously, can offer a range of potential benefits, from promoting prostate health and aiding in early detection of prostate issues to enhancing sexual pleasure and intimacy. Remember to prioritize hygiene, listen to your body's signals, and consult with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns or medical conditions. By taking a proactive approach to prostate health, you can enjoy a healthier, more fulfilling life.